I think a way to make campus safer is if security is more strict on who they let in on campus, and so students can just live safely on campus.
I think that that'll make camp safer is just like providing more cops and more safer places and more things to do. College or like university should be a place where everybody should feel free and safe and be able to do as they choose to a certain extent. I mean, our campus, I would say our campus is protected, but we also have like some things that we need to work on and need to fix, such as like coming in and out of, the University Village or the Commons. Anybody can just come through, anybody can, like get anywhere around campus. So, I mean, just small things like that, like small things that'll lead to big things and hopefully provide for the future.
To make our campus safer, I think that our student union needs a metal detector so that nobody can bring in weapons, because a lot goes down in the union, and I think that's a place that needs to be safer on campus.